Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing a new video today about jQuery and just this really cool effect that I found on the site symbol set. Yeah, so this background effect right here on this this header, how it changes colors. I recreated this in jQuery just to see if I could, and I thought it would be a good tutorial. So I haven't figured out a way to do this in CSS3 yet, so if anybody can figure it out, let me know in the comments, please. Alright, so yeah, I built this just this demo page real quick. It's just a header with an H1 in it, some simple styles and stuff. But yeah, so we're just going to do some animating, and in order to do this you're also going to need jQuery UI. We're going to be using the color animation, which is shown right here. There's a demo of it right here. Pretty much you can just go to jQueryui.com, go to the very bottom of the page and grab where is it? jQuery UI. You can grab that right there, and there you go. All you got to do is put it in the page. So there you go. And now we're going to be doing some JavaScript. Alright, so let's get going. We're going to be doing a to get started, we're going to just select the header. jQuery, we're going to do animated, since that is what is right here. Header with a class of animated. Alright, so we're going to do animate, which is jQuery. And we're going to do background, color, and let's just pick one of these colors. I already have color presets ready. I think that should, I hate clicking on shit. Okay. Yeah, so you can see that just animates it, so that's pretty cool. And we didn't give this a time. Animate also comes with an optional parameter that you could do the speed of it, so we'll just do 3 seconds. So you can see, yeah, it's a little too slow. Let's do two milliseconds. Or sorry, those are those are in milliseconds, but this is 2 seconds. Was that fast enough? Sure, that's fine. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go through all of these colors pretty much. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to do a set interval. And it's got, you put your code right here, which is going to be an anonymous function that runs every a certain amount of seconds. So let's just do it every 3 seconds. So the code that's going to run in here, it's going to happen every 3 seconds. So if we alert something, that's going to be kind of annoying. Let's just do like a console.log of testing. So now if we open up our console right here, refresh, every 3 seconds, we should, yep, so it's going to say testing every 3 seconds. So perfect, that's exactly what we want. So instead of testing, we're going to run this code right here. Okay, so, well, let's get that comment out of there. So what we're going to do is every 3 seconds, we're going to do that. So we would have to repeat this multiple times and change the color, which we can do. We could do that if we wanted to. That doesn't really seem like an efficient way of doing things, though. So watch now. If we do this, it'll work. But let's make sure it works. Yeah, there you go. So that works. That's going to change colors to whatever you guys want. Put whatever colors you want in there, but that doesn't really seem efficient because we're repeating ourselves, which you never want to do in code. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a function that does this for us, and we're going to call it animate bg, and we're going to put this code in there, and we're just going to make this a little smarter so we're not repeating ourselves. So what's going to be changing every time we do this? Well, the color for one, and maybe the duration of the speed. If we wanted to change it, we can just make it easy. So we'll do color, as a parameter up here, and we'll also do duration. Okay, so instead of this right here, we're going to put color, and down here we're going to put duration. So now what we can do, instead of having this code in here, what we can do is just call the function. So animate BG, there you go. So now we're going to put our first color, it's right here. So color, and then the duration, which we'll just put 3 seconds. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we'll just change these colors out. Almost there. Alright, so we have our function, which is animating some shit. And we're going to do a set interval of 3 seconds. And it's going to animate, it's going to run this function each time. So every 3 seconds, it's going to do each one. All the way down. Okay? So let's check it, make sure it's working. Cool. And it's going to go through every single color I put in there. And just to make sure of this, we'll do, we can just do a console.log at the bottom and say complete. And if that runs 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it should run 7 times. Oh, it's going to run all 7. That's true. But we know it's working, so there you go. Alrighty then. So, if you guys have any suggestions, any questions, you can comment in this video. I'm also going to have my Twitter and my personal site hooked up to this. So, yeah, ask away. If somebody can come up with a way to do this in CSS3, I would appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully that made sense. Thanks for watching.